देश का सबसे बड़ा लीडरशिप कॉन्क्लेव, इंडियन अफेयर्स बिजनेस लीडरशिप अवार्ड 2014, an intense seminar under one roof. ये था प्राइम अट्रैक्शन 5th इंडिया लीडरशिप कॉन्क्लेव एंड इंडियन अफेयर्स बिजनेस लीडरशिप अवार्ड्स 2014 का, जिसका आयोजन होटल हिल्टन मुंबई में हुआ.
And I'm privileged to have with us some of the distinguished guests and personalities who will be speaking on various occasions, various topics which are of tremendous importance, starting from the Indian nest to the healthcare, then to sometimes on economic reforms and various other issues. We will be debating on issues. I will only suggest that let's give a view, very independent, fair point, and which will enlighten the audience, the kind of thought they are giving it.
इस अवार्ड फंक्शन में देश के हर कोने से बिजनेसमैन, पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स, सोशल वर्कर्स, जर्नलिस्ट, मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट्स और डॉक्टर्स मौजूद थे. इस मौके पर दिया गया एक पावरफुल प्रेजेंटेशन मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट्स और डॉक्टर्स द्वारा.
I'm only going to touch a few points which I think are relevant to today's subject. The first, I think, is the change from the old economy to the new economy. And I'm building a case for young people to lead. In the old economy, we had the brick and mortar model. We have a traditional business serving customers in a shop. We have, if I may say so, the baniya ki dukaan, the grocery shop, the gym. Something which was very solid, something which you could see, something which you could experience. You had the American Patel bookshop model. You had your local vendor who had a personal touch with you. And that then gave rise to e-commerce.
हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस एक और बहुत बड़ी टॉपिक है. अगर हमें हेल्थ फॉर ऑल अचीव करना है तो हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस जरूर हमें, जैसे रोटी कपड़ा और मकान होता है वैसे रोटी कपड़ा मकान और इंश्योरेंस, ये मैं मानता हूँ बहुत ज़रूरी है.
It's a pleasure to be here today. The theme is very interesting, perform or perish. And I think to perform, you need some of the ideas that I'm going to put forward to you in my speech this evening. The subject that Satya Brahma gave me was talk about unforgettable Indians in a forgotten India. And I reflected on it. I said, indeed, we may have forgotten India, and we may have also unforgettable Indians. We have lots of great Indians in the past. But can we rephrase this by saying the need to rewrite the history of India?
This is my second event I am attending, and I always find it magnanimous, and the type of attendance here and type of involvement of the doctors and other non-medical fraternity, it's amazing. It's really good.
इस अवार्ड फंक्शन में पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स ने देश की बदलती स्थितियों और उससे जुड़े पहलुओं पर अपने विचार रखे.
कि हमारा देश जो मकाम पर खड़ा है वो बहुत ही अहम मकान है. यहाँ पर काफ़ी स्पीकर्स ने बात की है कि हमारे देश के लिए ये वाकई एक चौराहा है. हम या तो इस दिशा में जा सकते हैं जहाँ पर बहुत तरक्की है, या यहीं पर रह जाएं जहाँ पर हमारी आबादी के लिए कोई आशा नहीं रहेगी. तो ये एक बहुत अच्छा, मैं मानती हूँ, कॉन्क्लेव है जहाँ पर हम इन विषयों पर ध्यान दें और देखते हैं इससे क्या निकलता है.
That the public services are delivered properly, have a proper law for standards of services and guaranteed delivery, and transform the way politics is run. Today, the qualities required to get elected make you unfit to govern, and the qualities required to govern make you unfit to be elected.
इस इवेंट में शिरकत की बॉलीवुड और फैशन इंडस्ट्री के सेलिब्रिटीज ने.
It is enhancing and promoting and respecting all the business, huge production houses and businessmen of this country.
अवार्ड फंक्शन या तो वो ग्लैमर रिलेटेड होता है या बिजनेस रिलेटेड होता है या पर्टिकुलर कॉर्पोरेट अवार्ड्स होते हैं, बट दिस इज अ मिक्स्ड बैग ऑफ अवार्ड्स.
I'm very happy to be here. It's a beautiful event. Mr. Brahma invited me and insisted that I come and be a part of it, and I feel very honored and privileged to be receiving this award at this event.
इस इवेंट में पैनल डिस्कशन का आयोजन भी रखा गया.
So let me start with Mayank. What is presently going on with Delhi now?
Aam Aadmi Party is not really a party. It's a certain thought. A thought to change the political culture of this country. A thought by which elections can be won without black money. A thought by which elections can be won without criminals. A thought by which you don't need to use caste and religion-based politics to win elections. This thought is valid today and it will be valid for many years.
You may win a seat by rising the emotions of the public. But what you can't do is when you are in power, you cannot be a Bolshevik and raise and use those same emotions to implement laws and to bring change.
I'm so happy that in 2014 it has become a mainstream thing. Many of us and across the country, and it's not just, by the way, in the Aam Aadmi Party, people have joined the Congress, people have joined the BJP, people like us.
The point here is not about winning. The point is standing up against forces which you believe are wrong. Forces, I don't mean individuals. So that was why I fought. The point is, if you think the system is wrong, it's a system change which I wanted to be a part of, not to become a politician.
In the overall fight, we should also remember a very important milestone which was brought for social media, use of social media in politics.
इस अवार्ड फंक्शन में 30 डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज में नेशनल अचीवर्स को सम्मानित किया गया।
स्पोर्ट्स के अच्छे दिन आ गए वाकई, क्योंकि पहले तो ये था कि हम खाली जानते थे क्रिकेट खिलाड़ी ये कौन है, बाकी खिलाड़ी कौन हैं, मगर आज अच्छी बात ये है कि अब क्रिकेट के अलावा रेसलिंग, बॉक्सिंग, कबड्डी हम हर जगह जा रहे हैं और हर जगह सब पहचान रहे हैं।
And now moving on to the next category, can we have the AV please?
Dr. Gaurav Sharma, diabetologist and lifestyle doctor, CMD, Dr. G Wellness Private Limited.
A huge round of applause for our very own Dr. Gaurav Sharma.
Love, dream, mentalize, apply, act, persistence, perseverance, patience. Because if you want to be a tomato plant, then you'll be ready in 3 months. But if you want to be an olive tree, you'll have to wait for a lot of years for you to reap the fruit. But you will reap a lot of fruit over the years. And if you can take this message I've learned from my life, use it, and let's change this country. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks to my God, and this award I would like to dedicate my mom and my friends. Thanks to all.
I'm getting the Businesswoman of the Year 2014 award, and it's a great feeling because there is a spotlight finally on an avant-garde subject such as wine and food, and it makes me feel really proud that people are looking at different subject matters, not just actors, doctors and bankers.
लोगों ने इस इवेंट में पैनल डिस्कशन और प्रेजेंटेशन से काफी कुछ सीखा और समझा।
The award function was really good, and I've been here the last year and even this year it was much better.
Award function is really good. We enjoyed a lot और सबसे बहुत knowledgeable चीज़ें देखने को मिली।
This function was very good, and we are from Amaya, so we are very proud that our sir also got the award.
Award function was very nice, and I hope next year also it happens with a big bash like this, and all the best to them.
इंडिया लीडरशिप कॉन्क्लेव एंड फार्मा लीडरशिप अवार्ड फंक्शन से डिफरेंट फील्ड्स के एक्सपर्ट्स को नया प्लेटफॉर्म मिला।
फ्यूचर है इनोवेशन। अगर आप इनोवेट कर सकते हैं टेक्नोलॉजीज, एक डॉक्टर को साइंटिस्ट बनना पड़ेगा, वो क्लिनिशियन नहीं रह सकता। आपको आके आइडियाज़ लेकर आने होंगे, आपको डिमांड को पूरी करना होगा, क्योंकि लोग आपसे आइडियाज़ चाहते हैं। लोग चाहते हैं कि आप इनोवेट करें, आप ऐसे सॉल्यूशंस लेके आएँ जो कि आज की जो मेडिसिन से जो थक चुके लोग हैं, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग हो, कुछ एक्साइटिंग हो, और वो आइडिया जब आप लेके आएंगे तो आपके पीछे लोग दौड़ेंगे। इसलिए इनोवेट, इनोवेट, इनोवेट। और अगर आप इनोवेट नहीं कर सके तो यू विल ईदर परफॉर्म और पेरिश, बिकॉज इट्स नाउ और नेवर।
भविष्य में भी इस इवेंट की योजना बनाई गई।
And hopefully we will present the real winners who has got the real mandate and not those leaders who have already into the limelight doing nothing for the country. And this is the message which I want to give it to the care world. Thank you very much for bringing me here. Thank you.
इसी पॉजिटिव अप्रोच के साथ इस अवार्ड फंक्शन का सफलतापूर्वक समापन हुआ।